Ladies, if you're over 40 and struggling with PCOS, this video could change your life forever. What if I told you there's one simple strategy that can make your body fight PCOS like a professional warrior? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the science-backed method that's helping thousands of women take control of their hormones naturally. Here's what's really happening in your body when you have PCOS, especially after 40. Your insulin levels are going crazy, making it nearly impossible to lose weight. Your hormones are completely out of balance, causing irregular periods, excess hair growth, and stubborn belly fat. Your body is stuck in survival mode, storing every calorie as fat instead of burning it for energy. But here's the game changer that most doctors won't tell you about. Recent studies published in top medical journals have discovered something incredible. Women with PCOS who focus on one specific approach see dramatic improvements in just weeks. We're talking about real changes, balanced hormones, weight loss, and energy levels you haven't felt in years. That approach is strategic physical activity combined with smart nutrition. But not just any exercise or diet. This is specific targeted action that directly fights insulin resistance, which is the root cause of most PCOS symptoms. Here's what the latest research from Johns Hopkins and other major medical centers shows. Physical activity is more powerful than diet alone for reducing insulin resistance in women with PCOS. Studies prove that women who increased their physical activity levels saw significant drops in insulin resistance markers, even without changing their diet dramatically. For women over 40 with PCOS, this is especially important because your metabolism naturally slows down with age. But here's the exciting part. Targeted exercise can actually reverse this process. Research shows that vigorous intensity exercise has the greatest impact on insulin resistance and body composition in PCOS women. Here's your exact action plan. Start with 10 to 15 minutes of walking daily. That's it. Don't overwhelm yourself with hour-long gym sessions. Studies show that even light physical activity like walking can improve PCOS symptoms when done consistently. You can do yoga, biking, or swimming. Whatever feels good for your body. Now for the nutrition part. You don't need a restrictive diet. Medical experts recommend the Mediterranean approach because it's sustainable and effective. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods don't spike your blood sugar like processed foods do. Here's the secret weapon that makes everything work better. Always pair carbs with protein and fiber. This slows down glucose release into your bloodstream, which means your body produces less insulin. Less insulin equals less fat storage and more fat burning. Replace processed foods with fresh options. Choose fiber-rich whole grains instead of white bread and pasta. Cut down on added sugars, which are like poison for PCOS. Your body will thank you within days. For women over 40, there's an additional benefit. This approach doesn't just help with PCOS symptoms. It also supports healthy aging, protects your heart, and can even improve your mood and energy levels. Here's what you can expect. Week 1, better sleep and more stable energy. Week 2 to 3, reduced cravings and improved mood. Month 1 to 2, visible weight loss and more regular periods. Month 3 and beyond, balanced hormones and feeling like yourself again. The best part? This isn't about perfection. Start small, be consistent, and let your body heal naturally. Your PCOS doesn't have to control your life anymore. If this video gave you hope and actionable steps, smash that like button, subscribe for more hormone balancing tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest PCOS challenge right now? I read every comment, and your success stories inspire other women to take action.